Ano na? Hello guys! Pupunta kami ng SMX kasi aattend kami ng kasal.
Swimming. Parang nag-iba yung suot natin din.
Oo.
Kahapon, nung last time.
Naka kami noon,
white.
naka off white. So this time naman naka blue kami. Attend kami ng graduation ng Good Shepherd. So see you there. Watch out. Congratulations.
So yung pinag-graduate.
And now, please welcome Tessa Agripa Trinidad, our school principal. Please welcome Rainier Almira.
Para naman kami. Uy!
Mayra Manalo Agripa. Let us give her a big round of applause, please. The College of Education of St. Therese, Dr. Maria Teresa Asuncion. Alumnus of College of Education of St. Therese, Dr. Christian Earl Fernandez, and the former Commissioner of National Youth Commission and Inspire Philippines Country Manager, Mr. Raul Dominic Badilla. Dear parents, and of course, to the graduating class of school year 2023 to 2024, a blessed day to each and every one. Allow me to begin by sharing with all of you a beautiful verse from Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31. It says, "They who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint."
Height N. Elio Sherry May. Minus Hazel Ann M. Miranda Rochelle L. Naperi Honey Ann M. Nepay Michelle L. Peru, Jamaica, Steven S. Poncho, Angeline P. Tama, Sophia J. Texas, Glyza Nicole B. Usman, Crystal Sophia M. Valencia, Kim P. Vargas, Sam Colleen E. Villoso, Althea P. El Zobrado, Charmiel B.
Congrats! Congrats! Congrats!
This time,
Congrats!
three certificates to grade 12 UCS.
Graduate na!
Agrino Christian P.
Congrats! Congrats!
Valencia John Kirby B. Bicamon RC Vita Rafael Lance A. with honors.
Avila, Kate Justin N. with honors.
Matayos Non.
Bahar, Mark David T.
Balvin Arlon A.
Tumpor Jason Balao.
Dukita Sherwin E. with honors.
Escama Paul Vincent L. with honors.
Corey John Paul S. Grimaldo Kobe K. with honors. Ihares Hamal C. Liam Vincent.
Pasho Rin Ivan Kenneth I.
with honors. Alahang Rinier A.
Paunin Clark T1 Kent I.
Pintuo Janmark C. with honors.
Rojas Paul Brian S. with honors.
Sablay Janelle D.
Salano Red Sky T. with honors.
Tibo Christian J. T.
Villaruel Kobe.
Ballesteros Alicia Faith C. with honors.
Burinaga Christine P.
Clavero Kate N.
Elio Cherry May with honors.
Mainas Hattie Hazel Ann M.
Miranda Rochelle M.
with honors. Napiri Honey Ann M.
Nephi Michelle L. with honors.
Pero Jamaica Sabin S. with honors.
Poncho Angeline P. with honors.
Dama Sophia Jane with honors.
Tejas Liza Nicole P. with honors.
Osman Cristal Sophia M.
Valencia Kim P.
Vargas Sam Colleen E. with honors.
Tulioso Matea P. with honors.
Zomzom Brano Charmil B. with honors.
Heading to our next youth session,